So today we are going to talk about joining strings in an iterable. So what if I have a number of strings in an iterable, like this is a tuple, and I have strings like hello Python programmers, right? Those are strings. Now what if I wanted to join them into one string? So what I can do, I can use the join function, which is a system function. So you just call it. So then I can say this exclamation mark means that what do I want to join it by? Meaning that after hello, it should give me exclamation, then Python, then exclamation, then programmers. So then join, what do I want to join? I have to pass in the iterable, which is words. So if I print out this one string, it should give me hello, exclamation mark Python, like that. So if I run it, you can see that it has given me hello, exclamation mark Python, exclamation mark programmers. Now, what if I have a dictionary? So now, in the case of a dictionary, maybe you wanted to join the values together. But in a dictionary, you have to call out the values. So if I have a dictionary called words dictionary, words dict, then here I have my values of 0, 1, 2, 3. If I wanted to pick out the values of this dictionary, I would have to call words.values. And this words.values, it returns the values of the dictionary in an iterable, like a list. So in this join function requires an iterable as an argument. So it means that these words dict values will return an iterable as an argument. And then this and sign means that I want to join each of these values with an and sign. So it should come from 0 and 1 and 2 and 3. So when I print out this one string, that's what it should give me. 0 and 1. It gives me this 0 and this 1 and 2 and 3, like that. So that is how to pick out how to pick out from a dictionary and then join the strings in a dictionary. So you can see that's what it has given me, 0 and 1 and 2 and 3. So that's how you can join strings in an iterable. So yeah, thank you for watching.